Elephant is a big animal. Elephant is a big animal. A mouse is a small animal. A mouse is a small animal. She is happy. She is happy. He is feeling sad. He is feeling sad. I run fast. I run fast. The turtle is slow. The turtle is slow. My tea is hot. My tea is hot. Winter days are cold. Winter days are cold. The giraffe is tall. The giraffe is tall. The boy is short. The boy is short. My hands are clean. My hands are clean. The kitchen floor is dirty. The kitchen floor is dirty. The music was too loud for my ears. The music was too loud for my ears. The library is very quiet. The library is very quiet. The pillow is very soft. The pillow is very soft. The ground is hard after the rain dried. The ground is hard after the rain dried. We moved to a new house. We moved to a new house. The man lives in an old house. The man lives in an old house. She is a good student. She is a good student. Bad habits are not healthy. Bad habits are not healthy. This question is easy. This question is easy. This puzzle is hard. This puzzle is hard. The glass is full of water. The glass is full of water. The box is empty. The box is empty. Candy is sweet. Candy is sweet. Lemon taste sour. Lemon taste sour. The sun is bright. The sun is bright. The night is dark. The night is dark. A kind child helps others. A kind child helps others. I am angry. I am angry. The clown is funny. The clown is funny. The Superman is brave. The Superman is brave. Be careful while crossing the road. Be careful while crossing the road. We wear helmets to stay safe while riding a bike. The teacher is busy. The teacher is busy. The bird is free in the sky. The bird is free in the sky. The dress is pretty. The dress is pretty. The lion is strong. The lion is strong. He feels weak when sick. He feels weak when sick. She is a smart learner. She is a smart learner. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. Do not come late to class. Do not come late to class. This bag is heavy. This bag is heavy. The feather is light. The feather is light. The moon is round. The moon is round. This pencil is sharp. This pencil is sharp. The table is flat. The table is flat. My cat is cute. My cat is cute. Fruits are healthy food. Fruits are healthy food. He feels tired after work. He feels tired after work. The class is noisy. The class is noisy. Yoga helps us feel calm. Yoga helps us feel calm. Clothes get wet in rain. Clothes get wet in rain. The towel is dry. The towel is dry. Please keep the door open. Please keep the door open. The shop is closed. The shop is closed. The rainbow is beautiful. The rainbow is beautiful. This game is fun. This game is fun. A helpful child shares things. A helpful child shares things. I feel proud. I feel proud.